Good afternoon. I'm coming to you today from a hotel room just outside of Wheeling, West Virginia. I travel a lot, so I always think to myself, hey, I wonder if people would like to see what I can see from the hotel rooms that I stay in. And, well, tonight the answer is probably no. To be honest, this is a very, very boring view of a very boring shopping center. There's a dentist's office and some kind of a Blue Cross Blue Shield thing and a dermatologist and a roofing place. Yeah, it's not exciting. There was a burger place down the end. Let's see. Right over there on the end. Burger place that was pretty good. I had a bison burger, which was fun. Also, you can see the sun, which is nice. That's over 93 million miles away, so that's no small feat. A lot of environmentalists out there pretty angry at the sun because it's been proven that that is the main cause of global warming on this planet. So if you don't like global warming, obviously the sun is not a friend of yours. Yeah, it just kind of continues that way. It's pretty exciting. Or what's the opposite of exciting? Oh yeah, this view. Well, boy, I'm sure glad that I chose this hotel. Not one of the ones with like a nice view of the rivers or mountains or city. No. This is the one. Yeah, maybe I'll do another one. This will be like a teaser video to show you how great it could be. Well, I guess I could show you around the room. Let's see. This is a Fairfield Inn. There's a telephone, which is awesome in case this hotel ever gets sent back to 1997 and those become useful again. There's the bed. It's a king bed. It was actually a pretty comfy bed. What else here? Air conditioner. It's on. So, that's good. The ceilings are pretty tall. It's a top floor room, so no late night sumo wrestlers like when you're on lower floors. Thermostat. There's my my snacks. Some pickles and some root beer. Let's see here. A desk. Really hideous carpet. And what someone in a corporate office somewhere thought passes for art. They were, of course, wrong. Hey, the air conditioning shut off. Now the video will be less annoying. Downside is you still have to look at this art. Oof. I'm using I would be using finger quotes, but I dropped the camera, but you can insert your own. TV is nice. It's got a TV. It works. It has YouTube. So that's good. There's my fruit cup. That's going to be a snack for later. I'm looking forward to that. And my shoes. Let's see, what do we have here? Refrigerator. A tea and pro tip, also coffee maker. Depends on what you want. An ice bucket. And a microwave. Hi there. I tried using the microwave tonight. I'm not much of a microwave user, so I tried making some of the popcorn they gave me at the office, and it didn't come out well because, like I said, I'm not really good at using microwaves, so that was a fail. Has a bathroom, which is awesome. Bathroom has a shower on it. Bathroom also probably has a light. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. So it has a shower and no tub, just a shower, toilet, towels. Yeah, there's me again. Hi. Front door, locked. Always good to check. And, that's pretty much it. All the excitement of a Fairfield Inn outside of Wheeling, West Virginia. I think next time I'll show you one of the nicer hotel rooms I stay in. So this is like a teaser for the nice ones that I stay in sometimes. Nicer. They're always like Marriott's pretty much. But yeah, the next one, maybe it'll be better. You already saw the ice bucket if you're a big fan of the channel. That was exciting. That was like 15 seconds of my life right there. Complete, unedited, unscripted. There was no script at all. The ice did its part perfectly. Yeah, so there's that. Hey, not sure why you're still watching this, but thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this, please like and subscribe and all that stuff. And I will see you next time. Thanks. Well, I finished my fruit cup. And I decided to go out to the window again and see if the million rupee view here has improved. And it has. It's got more color now. Also, I've zoomed in so you can't see you can't see as much of the unattractive strip mall. So there's that. I probably should have just waited and filmed out the window when it was sunsetting, but the sun is there. I don't know where I was going with that. I guess the sun has places to go, like California and Japan. But not Ohio. So the sun's going to go down. Well, sun doesn't go down. It's just an illusion caused by the world spinning around. But the world is spinning, and I need to go back into my hotel room and hold on tight to keep from being thrown to the wolves. So enjoy this sunset with me. Thanks again for watching.